Namaste all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today, our topic is the site-directed mutagenesis. In molecular biology, and a genetic mutation or change in a genomics that mutation are caused by the radiation, viruses, transposions, and the mutagenetic chemicals, as well as the error that occurring during meiosis and the DNA replication. Site-directed mutagenesis, also called as a site-specific mutagenesis or oligonucleotide directed mutagenesis, is a molecular biology technique often used in the biomolecular engineering in which a mutation is created at the defined site of the DNA molecules. Site-directed mutagenesis is the technique for the generating amino acids coding change in the DNA. Site-directed mutagenesis is the cooperation of the desired amino acids in place of the specific amino acid in a protein or a polypeptide. So these are the site-directed mutagenesis history. Site-directed mutagenesis is the base pair substitution, insertion, deletion, plasmid or PCR-based approaches. Direct mutagenesis may define as a change in the nucleic acid sequence, genetic organism, or the specific predetermined location. Site-directed mutagenesis is the technique for the generating amino acid coding changes in the DNA or a gene by approach specific changes can be made in the basis of the gene or produce a desired enzyme. A large amount of experimental produce producer have been developed from the directed mutagenesis of the cloned gene, a synthetic oligonucleotide complementary to the area of gene of the interest but has desired nucleotide sequences and the changes. An oligonucleotide is the short piece of DNA, usually 10 to 13 nucleotide long, and it can be done using by the M13 plasmid DNA, PCR random primer, degenerating primer, nucleotide analogs, and the DNA shuffling. Mutagenesis in a laboratory techniques or mutagenesis in a laboratory is an important technique where the DNA mutation are deliberatively engineered to produce mutant gene, protein or the strain of the organism. First of all, gene is plasmid with the target site mutation. After that, denature the plasmid and the annealing the oligonucleotides. After that, the primer containing desired mutation using the non-strand displacing action of the polymerase extended and the incorporated the mutagenic primers resulting in the next circular strand. After that, they digest the methylate non-mutated parental DNA templates with the VPN. After that, they transform the circular nick double-stranded DNA into the super component cell, and after transformation, the super component cells repair the nick in the mutate. The methods of the site-directed mutagenesis are the single primer method and cascade mutagenesis and the PCR method. And the limitations are which PCR based method is the hard to replicate the mutant DNA. In order for the replication to the occur, super competent cells must be used and are the expensive. And the second is the screening can be tedious and the usually required to sequence to confirm and it is mutation.